Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are having issue with screen color feels dull in laptop. Let's fix that problem guys. For that, go to search menu and type control panel. Open it and select view by two large icons and go to power options and just need to select show additional plans, expand it, this arrow mark here, click on it and select high performance option over here. Favors performance but may use more battery energy guys. This will use more battery energy guys if you not plugged in your laptop charging. It will uses more energy guys, and this will help you to remove the dullness of your laptop guys. That's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.